What's up, people? GM Skywatcher here. Today is September 20th, Friday. And the skies were crystal blue this morning when I woke up. And all week, the skies have been beautiful and blue. And we've had some cool weather. It's been 50s, 60s at night and in the morning. And then the high of mid-70s. Today, well, this morning when I got in my truck, the temperature was at 52. And then now it's about 10:30 and the skies are completely covered in chemicals, as you can see. And it's supposed to go up into the 80s. It's so strange. Temperatures go up, it's hot and humid on the days that they spray our skies. Are people beginning to realize what's happening? And none of this is normal, people. Plain spraying chemicals is not normal. This is not water vapor or condensation. This is the strategic placement of chemicals into our atmosphere for weather manipulation, modification, manufacturing. You know, there are many different agendas that people think is going on here. I mean, just look at this. You know, ultimately, I think this is a weather manipulation program, and on top of that, these chemicals are sprayed into our atmosphere, and eventually what goes up must come down, and these chemicals infiltrate our air, water, and food, poisoning humanity and all of life on Earth. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. And they also get to falsely prove their global warming, climate change agenda. Wake up, people. This isn't normal. This isn't natural. This is diabolical. Open your eyes, people. Spread the truth. Spread the awareness. Have a great day.